5 common reasons for pumps failure in chemical plants. Pumps are among the most critical equipment in chemical plant. Understanding common failure causes can help reduce downtime and maintenance cost. Dry running. Operating a pump without sufficient liquid can damage mechanical seals and internal components. Cavitation. Low suction pressure can create vapor bubbles that damage the pump impeller. Seal failure. Worn or damaged seal can cause leakage, reduced efficiency, and environmental hazards. Improper alignment. Misalignment between pump and motor increase vibration and accelerate equipment wear. Lack of preventive maintenance. Ignoring routine inspection and maintenance often result in unexpected breakdowns. Remember, most pump failures can be prevented through proper operation, regular monitoring, and preventive maintenance. Follow Industrial Operation Academy for practical insight on chemical plant operations, production management, and industrial safety.